I wasn't planning to make this video, but YouTube just dropped something that could completely change the short form game, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. A few days ago, I woke up, checked my phone, and saw a notification inside the YouTube Studio app about something called the YT Create app. At first I thought, okay, cool, another editor, but no, this looks like YouTube's counterattack to CapCut's free Seedance 2.0 release. It has all the usual editing tools you'd expect, but the real shocker is this. It appears to offer unlimited VO 3.1 video generation right inside the app, and here's what makes it even better for my workflow. I use PhoneLink on Windows 11. Instead of tapping around on my phone, I just open the app on my PC and control my phone remotely with my mouse and keyboard. It feels like the app is running natively on Windows. Super smooth, super convenient. Let me show you how I'm using it. First, I open up the YT Create app from the PhoneLink screen on my desktop. PhoneLink makes this super convenient for me. Typing on my PC keyboard is 100 times easier than typing on your phone. Let's create our first video. Let's try out this prompt. Astronaut drifts through glowing debris orbiting a red giant star. Helmet visor reflects solar flares. Slow camera orbit volumetric light rays. Cinematic 4K. Warm orange and deep space blue color grade. Emotional and melancholic tone. The result is not bad, not Seedance 2.0 level of course, but I am happy with the result. Now I just need to export it, and once exported I will go to Windows Explorer to copy and paste that video to my PC. Super convenient. As you can see, my phone is visible on my Windows File Explorer because of PhoneLink. It is just like any other folder. I can easily copy and paste. Let's try another prompt. A young samurai stands on a cliff at sunset, cherry blossoms swirling in the wind. Lightning splits the stormy sky behind her. Her eyes glow electric blue. Anime style, Studio Ghibli inspired, vibrant colors, cinematic pan shot, dramatic atmosphere. Not bad at all, but you know what, that's not the best part. This app lets you create your AI avatar and use it for video generation, and that is what makes this a real killer app. Also, just a tip, if you are lazy with your prompts, you will get bad results. Garbage in means garbage out. For example, I just typed in here, make me fly in the clouds. The output is bad in my opinion, but wait until you see if we use a good prompt. If you're getting value from this, then please subscribe. I make videos like this all the time.